Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you the knowledge of how to change oxygenator during cardiopulmonary bypass if oxygenator is failed on CPB. What is the meaning of oxygenator failure? Oxygenator failure can be identified by the lack of color differentiation and pre and post oxygenator gas analysis. What are the causes of oxygenator failure? It may be cause of manufacturing defect, disruption of cell, and damage during assembly. These are the main basic causes of oxygenator failure. Now I am going to tell you in step by step how to change the oxygenator during CPB. Sufficient clamp is the key of changing oxygenator procedure. Along with this, scissor and alcohol swab is the most important to maintain sterility. In step 2, when you diagnose the oxygenator problem is there, first inform surgeon and anesthesiologist about oxygenator failure. Start this procedure by disconnecting water lines by clamping both water lines. After disconnecting water lines, clamp purge line and recirculation line. Next step is be ready to go off bypass. After going off bypass, clamp arterial line and venous line. Now I am going to apply two clamps on oxygenator inlet and oxygenator outlet to change the oxygenator. And please note, keep 2 cm distance between two clamps. After applying the clamp, separate oxygenator from stand and place new oxygenator in oxygenator stand. Now I am going to establish all oxygenator connection. The sequence is like this. First I will connect oxygen gas line, then oxygenator inlet, then oxygenator outlet and purge line. And most important thing is this, cut the oxygenator inlet outlet closest to the oxygenator side to have enough length for attachment of new oxygenator. And disconnect the oxygenator and keep on side to check failure region. In step 10, dear oxygenator and entire circuit of tubings. Now declamp arterial line and venous line and go on bypass. And before doing this, inform surgeon and anesthesiologist. Now the last step is connect water lines so that we can rewarm the patient. And the most important thing is that after doing this procedure, please repeat antibiotic to avoid the infection of this procedure. I hope this information will help you in your perfusion career. For the more information, you can visit my channel to watch CPB related videos. Also, I have uploaded Inspire Oxygenator in details and how to assemble oxygenator. Thanks for watching.